Hey, it's Sam here and welcome to this demo of Viral Traffic app. This allows you to be able to put pop-ups over the top of any website to be able to drive traffic from it. Makes it awesome for being able to share on social media and things like that. Use traffic from there to be able to opt in or click on links that you want. Here's an example right here on this page. I've got a BBC article on Bitcoin. It is like a podcast of it. And in the top left, you can see I've made a pop-up box that it has my logo in it. Learn how to trade Bitcoin, bigger profits, blah, blah, blah. Learn more here. So this would be ideal if I want to drive traffic to a website that talks about this sort of stuff. If I have a store, a site that gets opt-ins or get people to subscribe to newsletters and things, this would be perfect for driving traffic like this, especially if I share this on social media. You can choose different sorts of these pop-up boxes. You can have entire screen takeovers, you can have bars, you can have all sorts. However, they are very simple to use, and you can make a whole bunch of them if you want and get them sharing over social media. So how did I do this? It was in the Viral Traffic app here. So I'm just going to click on Dashboard so you can see this is a general JV account, so I haven't got it integrated specifically with any of my social media, so we won't go too much in depth with that today. However, I will explain it. Okay, so here's the dashboard. Within the dashboard you can see sort of what sort of performance your campaigns are getting. Bear in mind this is just the demo account, so it's a whole bunch of just people just testing various things out. Okay, so you will be able to see how it's all going. Creating a campaign is very simple. Just click on campaigns and you enter a new one over the right here. So I'm going to call this demo video. Okay, and my website, I'm going to put in my website, samspreviews.com/viral traffic app. Okay, now I can choose my logo, so I can just choose my standard logo, which I used in my demo one I just played around with there, or any other logo as well. Just make sure you get the right size to fit. Mine, you can see it cuts a little bit off. So this campaign is the top of the tree, so everything you do will fall under this. So once we go into promotions, this is where we start to put together our promotion that's going to work under this umbrella. So I'm going to click Create Promotion, and this is going to load up my promotion creator. So we can choose how it's, if we want a link, if we want a button, an opt-in form, just an image, or even a Shopify product if you have Shopify synced up. So let's do this one with a form. Okay, I'm going to click on display, so we can choose if we want a bar to pop up at the top like this, just like we just showed there. We can have a slider which slides in just like I had in the example, Modial, which takes over the screen, blurs it out and has it over the top, or a complete takeover, which takes over the entire screen before they can see it. Okay, so we're just going to do a slider one for now, just for the exact purposes of this demo. You can choose if you want it at the top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. I'm going to just stick with the top left here. Okay, and then once we've done this, once we've chosen this, we can change whatever we want to as well. On the left here, we can change it to a link or an image or whatever we want as well if we change our mind. Now, select campaign. So we need to choose the master campaign that it's going to fall under. So I just created the demo video one. So I'm going to choose demo video, and then that's all going to sync up. Let's put the logo in here, and so it's all good there. Okay, now we need to edit the content. So the content here, if we want to put this over a Bitcoin article, we're going to write in earn with Bitcoin today. Okay, we're going to put that in, and then the body we can say subscribe to our daily newsletter with insider tips on how to trade Bitcoin for profit. Just something like this, just for an example. So here we go, it's there, and then we've got the opt-in form. We could say subscribe now. Cool. So the fields, we can choose to have just their name and the email, or just the email. So we've just done the email. Now if we go customize, we can change the colors of all this sort of stuff. We can change the text color, we can change the button color to be whatever we want it to be as well, all that sort of stuff. Okay, once we've done this, we just click save, and then this saves our campaign. So I've just realized that it actually didn't save because I haven't got an autoresponder integrated into it, which is unfortunate because this is a fully shared account with many JVs. We're not going to do that, but we will show you how to do the next step of the process by clicking on links here. So now we've made the campaign, so I'm going to use the last one that I already used. So as we can see, I've got the BBC World. I've got a Bitcoin link here. I can find another one as well. So a link about how it's peaking over $5,000. I can take that link, I copy it, I put it in here, put the link in here. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to click create link. And once we've got this link, we can choose the different campaigns, learn how to trade Bitcoin, all that sort of stuff. So we'll use the Bitcoin one, and then you could either use the viral link, or you can add a custom domain if you have your own domain, and click save link. So here we go, it's created a link. Unfortunately, it's not the opt-in box one we created because we don't have it synced up. And we will go in like this and click here. And here it is here. So it's just loading up. Cool. So here's the website coming up. It's showing the article and the pop-up box, just like the example one I showed you before, has popped up. And then once we click on this link, it would take us off to wherever we want it to as well. So very, very simple. Once we've done that, we can jump into account integration. So you can see you can connect Twitter, you can connect LinkedIn, and you can connect in a number of different email autoresponders as well. Also, you can link in your domain, just like we said, how you can use your own custom domain as well. Once you've done all this sort of stuff, if we go back into links, as you can see here, there's an auto post button. So you can automatically post, schedule it to post content to your Twitter page or your LinkedIn page using this automatically, or you can manually share the link using on Facebook and other social medias as well. So it looks like this one's loading a bit slow. However, that's the quick overview of Viral Traffic app. I hope this explains exactly what it does. Check it out down below for more details about what you can do with this software, and we wish you success by being able to get viral traffic using the authority websites like BBC and things like that to be able to get traffic to your sites. This is Sam. It's been a pleasure to show you this today.